Had a neighbor pull into my lane last fall with a Ford 8N that rattled like a jar full of bolts. He'd already put a brand new carburetor on it, and the thing still had about as much power as a ceiling fan on low. Took me 2 minutes to find the problem. The ignition timing was so far off you could have driven a tractor between the marks on the flywheel. Now the Ford 8N is probably the most common old tractor in Iowa. I've worked on hundreds of them over the years, and ignition timing is, without question, the most overlooked part of keeping one running right. Get it set correctly and she'll start easy, run cool, and pull like she's supposed to. Get it wrong and you'll be scratching your head wondering why your new carburetor didn't help one bit. Let's talk about the spec first. The factory setting for a Ford 8N is 4 degrees before top dead center at idle, with the vacuum advance disconnected. That's 4 degrees, not 6, not 8, 4. I've seen guys set these things at 10 degrees because more advanced sounds like more power. All they got was an engine that pinged every time it hit a load and ran hotter than a July afternoon in a tin building. To find top dead center, you'll access the inspection plate on the left side of the bell housing. There's a pointer cast into the housing and a notch on the flywheel. That notch is your TDC reference. From there, 4 degrees of crankshaft rotation works out to just under a ½ inch of flywheel travel before that mark. Connect your timing light to the number 1 plug wire. Warm the engine up first. Always set timing on a warm engine. Disconnect the vacuum advance line. Loosen the distributor clamp bolt with a 9/16 wrench. Rotate the distributor until the 4 degree mark lines up with the pointer, then torque that clamp bolt to 12 to 15 foot-pounds. Now here's something I see guys forget every single time. After you tighten that clamp bolt, recheck your timing. The distributor can move just a hair when you snug that bolt down. I've seen it shift 2 full degrees just from tightening. Check it twice. Then take her out under load and listen for pinging. That metallic rattle is detonation. If you hear it, back the timing off a degree at a time until it's gone. One more thing. If you've got an early model, from 47 to mid-50, you've got a side mount distributor. Late 50 and newer went to a front mount, same 4 degree spec, but the procedure's different and the parts don't interchange. Know which one you've got before you order anything. Here's my pro tip. Don't time a cold engine. I know it's tempting when it's 20 degrees outside and you just want to get it done. A cold engine doesn't represent real running conditions. Let it warm up properly, 10 minutes minimum, and you'll set it right the first time. If you want the full service manual for your Ford tractor with all the specs, torque values, and diagrams, I've got them over at the manual store. Links right below. It's the best 12 bucks you'll spend on that old Ford. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.